Hi, and welcome to the Covert Video Press 2.0 theme demo. Hey, you're about to discover here how you can cash in on the online video craze without ever having to create a video for yourself, and how you could use this simple WordPress theme to tap into the most buzzing trend on the internet, propel your blog to the top of Google while sucking in free traffic from Twitter and Facebook on complete autopilot. That's right, hands off. Videos are hot. We have entered an age where people will soon watch more online video than TV. In fact, already back in 2011, YouTube beat cable TV in the US. If you're not using videos as part of your marketing and traffic funnel, you're missing out. And YouTube is, of course, the king of online video. Here's some crazy YouTube stats for you. YouTube is the third most visited site in the world after Google and Facebook. It's the second largest search engine in the world, ahead of both Bing and Yahoo. On average, every internet user spends 15 minutes a day on YouTube, and that's a combined 2 billion views, or 10% of all internet traffic. 24 hours of video is uploaded every single minute to YouTube, and it would take you 1,700 years to watch it all. But we don't recommend that you are going to try to replicate this, because obviously we would all like to own the next YouTube, but that ship sailed years ago. With Google owning YouTube, they have secured near total dominance. You could upload videos to YouTube, many marketers do, and there's nothing wrong with that. YouTube should be part of your marketing arsenal, but it's not the holy grail, and there certainly are a few problems with this approach. First of all, you have to record your own videos, which takes a lot of time, and maybe you're not interested in doing that. Not everyone is cut out to do videos. Every video you create becomes part of Google's content, and they profit from your hard work. Your video is one of around 800,000 uploaded every day, and chances are you won't get many views. And if you're lucky, you may get invited to YouTube's partner program, so you could earn a few pennies in AdSense. But we thought, well, there had to be a better way. We figured that the best approach would be to combine the features of YouTube with the powers of WordPress, bringing you the best of both worlds: good SEO, low cost, easy to use, and explosive benefits of running a video site. But more importantly, we wanted to mimic YouTube and build video sites as they're known and loved by millions of people, and legally piggyback off other people's work and let you build huge video sites without ever having to create a single video yourself, and to let you stay in complete control and keep 100% of the revenue for yourself. So without further ado, I would like to introduce Covert Video Press 2.0. It's a WordPress theme that makes your blog feel and work exactly like YouTube. It taps into the YouTube psychology and makes your visitors much more likely to watch, like, share, and comment on your content. And we have added some clever traffic generation that will get you a ton of free traffic from Twitter, from Google+, Facebook. So let me show you how in just minutes from right now you could be running a YouTube-style video blog that sucks in traffic like nothing you have ever seen before. And here we are on the demo site for the Covert Video Press 2.0 theme. As you can see, this is a demo site dedicated to football. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is that the theme looks very crisp and professional, and we've deliberately used the YouTube color scheme so that your visitors will have an instant familiarity and they will be ready to watch your videos, like it, and do all the things they normally do on YouTube. But of course, you can change the entire look and design, and it's very easy to do so, and I will show you in just a bit. But first, I want to show you some of all the elements that are on the site here. Up here, you have your header section, which you can put an image in, or you can change the text up here. You can change the color and whatnot. And what we've just had pop up there is what happens when you try to leave the page, or you can have this appear when the page loads, and this is a feature that will let you gain social followers on Facebook, Tumblr, Pinterest, and Twitter, or capture leads for your own mail list. And you have the settings where you could choose how often you want these to pop up and if you want them or not. And when people say no thank you, then they will never show you again, and you have full settings with that. But this means that the theme also sucks in leads and social followers on autopilot. Now, if you continue up here, we have the navigation bar. You have all the categories here in the drop down, and you can select which category you want to view on a site. People can search a site. Here we have the default listings on the side. The theme is self-optimizing, which means it will count the number of impressions and clicks in a single video. And right now it's set to trending, which is the best performing videos in a short time span. Now I could change it to top rated videos instead, and now it will show the videos with the best ratings, and I can see the most viewed videos or the recently added videos. And so trending is really the default setting, and this is the top performing videos, which means that they have the most clicks to them here compared to the amount of times that the page has been viewed. This is very, very powerful because this way, over time, you will have your best performing videos on your front page so you can get more users to spend more time on your page. Same here in the featured video section. You have a rotator here that people can click through, and these can be the most viewed videos or any of the other here. And you can change this to what you want, and you can also remove the featured rotator completely if you wish to. And we also have the sidebar, of course, and right now I'm using 2 custom videos that come with the theme and showing the most viewed and highest rated videos out there. Now, in order to customize the look of your site, and here, just as we're leaving, you will see that the Tumblr one here, and again, I could say no thanks to that, but if you go into the theme options and look, everything is broken up into tiny bite-sized steps, so it's really easy for you to change whatever you want. Now this, for example, is the home page setting, so I could go in and change the background color, the post titles, all the stuff that I want to show in the front page, and for every step, there is a video tutorial showing you exactly what to do. If you ever look at the featured rotator here, you can easily select a different background for it, upload your own, and if there are certain categories you don't want to have shown in it, where to show it, and so on, or turn it off completely by unchecking all of these. Header configuration, same stuff here. Everything is very, very easy to change. Every time there is a color you can change. We also have a color selector here if you don't know the hex code. So it's super easy to customize the themes to do exactly what you want. Now, if we go back here and look for a single post, first of all, people can rate the videos right here. So if I want to give this one 5 stars, I can. And I voted for this one, and this takes into consideration that there's another 5-star rating. And you can see the number of views on the post tags and categories, and all of this can be hidden if you don't like this. Other than that, it's standard stuff. We have the title and then the video shows. This one is a YouTube video that is now embedded on the site. If I click the like button here, this is actually quite clever, if I could say so myself. This button here looks like the like button on Facebook, on YouTube. But what it does is when people click this one, it will instantly in the background like this post on Facebook, giving you an instant backlink. And lots of people will click this one because they're used to doing that on Facebook. The share button here also looks like Facebook, and when they click that, they get the option to share this video post on all the social networks. They also get a link to the post if they want to share it in other ways. And then you have the post text here, and down here you have your related videos, which is based on tags and categories, and having that, of course, will mean that people like on YouTube, when they're done watching this video, they're very likely to click another one and go watch that, meaning they'll spend longer time on your page, and that increases your Google ranking and increases the odds of you putting ads that will convert in front of them. Comments. We have the standard WordPress comments, which you can turn on and off. We also have Facebook comments. And as you can see, I did a comment here and John replied to it. If we go to Facebook, you can see how powerful that is. If you go to my Facebook page, you'll see that I commented on the post here. using this box right here. So this shows up here. The comment also shows up in my Facebook news feed, so all my friends and followers can see this. And John actually commented not on the blog, but on Facebook to my post here. And as you can see, it says this comment will also be posted on the beautiful game, which it was. So when people use the Facebook comment that's integrated into the theme, it will get you tons of traffic, backlinks, and activity from Facebook directly into your video site. And that is super, super powerful. Now, if we go back into the admin section and see everyone add a new post, and then we go to add new, this is super easy to go as well. Basically, again, there is a video tutorial. If you click that, it will open up and show you exactly what to do. Enter the title and the description you want, and then select the video file. You can either put in your own videos by having a link to where the video is posted, for example, like this, all from your Amazon S3 or wherever you host your videos. Or you can put in a YouTube video, just put in the YouTube link here, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Metacafe. And when you put that in, you can also set the view count. Now, if you want to get a video a kickstart, set it to whatever number you want. Set the ratings to whatever you want, and the impression clicks is if you want to game the system, so to speak, for trending videos. You can get a video a lot of clicks if you want to make sure it stays on top. Normally, we don't recommend using this, but the option is there and you have full flexibility of all of this. So it's really, really, really simple to add videos. If you take YouTube, which most of you probably will be using, you just copy the title, description in here, and the YouTube, and you click post, and the video is boom, there. It will even import the thumbnail from YouTube from you. And for your own videos, you just set a featured image as your thumbnail. So it's super easy to add videos and to build big video sites really fast with lots of great content on them. Now, we also have theme ads here. You can choose to show theme ads. For example, create 2 ads. Ad shown per page, we can set it to 1. How many videos before an ad is shown? Between 3 and 5 is cool. And if you want to do random or in order, this is if you have more. So I'm just going to put 1 ad in here. You could put HTML, banners, JavaScript. But if I save this ad, let me go back and refresh the page. You will now see that we have an advertisement in the actual videos here, so you can put random ads to pop in between your videos, which is another great way to monetize this theme on top of the social following and list building options in the theme. And all the stuff you can put in the sidebars as well, so you have in theme ads as well. So that was a quick look at this new Covert Video Press 2.0 theme and some of the many things it can do for you, and it is really one of the most effective ways to get traffic these days, to have a video site like this, and this theme is certainly one of the easiest ways to do so, both on videos but also for building unlimited video sites using other people's videos and piggybacking off their work to build high traffic sites yourself. Now, why does this work so well? Well, the video sites love it when you use their content. In fact, they encourage it. They all give you the ability to embed videos, and they want you to do that, so it's a win-win situation. It is the easiest way to create unique content for your blog, and that's my big secret. You use the videos, you embed them, you pull in the content and the comments, and it creates unique content on your blog that your business will love. And you can niche it down and go after a specific target market like you saw in the demo video. I made a video blog about football you saw, and you can do this for any niche out there. And people are used to YouTube, and they will instinctively know what to do when they come to your Covert Video Press site. And that increases the time spent, the actions taken on your site. Google will love you, and they will rank you high. They will love you because you're using YouTube content. They will love you because people spend a lot of time on your site watching videos, and they will reward you with higher rankings. And why will Google love you so much? That's because Post, Panda, and Penguin bounce rate is the most important factor in search engine rankings, and that's the unique benefit of video sites. People spend more time, and it makes you look much more relevant when they do so. Google will see it as you're spreading and enhancing their content too. And as I said, they love that, and all this contributes to them ranking you higher. And in fact, Covert Video Press Blogs ranks higher in Google and gets more traffic than any blog on any other WordPress theme that we've ever used, and with a fraction of the work. Now, you might be forgiven for thinking that this would cost you a small fortune, and there are a few other tube themes out there. The best one will cost you $69 for a single site's license only, and it doesn't have half the features of Covert Video Press 2.0, and certainly not the powerful inbuilt traffic generation. But for a limited time only, you could get your hands on the brand new Covert Video Press 2.0 theme at a special low early bird price. Now, we do plan to sell this for $97 or more very soon, but right now, you could get it at a fraction of that, including free lifetime updates. For the next few people who will order, we will even include full multi-site and site flipping licenses at no extra cost. That means you could use the theme on all your blogs you build for clients, and even sell and flip blogs with the theme installed.
So right now, all that's left to do is for you to click the button below to secure your copy of the Covert Video Press theme before the price goes up.